Hey, hi there, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this session, we will discuss how to get the call from the Naukri.com or different portal. So this video is based on the fresher guy who is searching the job and experienced as well. So if you are the fresher, so I already discussed in the last session, you have to write the e-litmus exam or MCAT exam. So if you will do good a score, then company will call to you. Might be you are not able to get the call from e-litmus or MCAT. So how to get the call if you are the fresher? So last session I already discussed, you can search on the Facebook, be having the group for the Bangalore job seeker. So from there, so some people are posting over there the requirement. This is the another way. Third way, you will get the call from the Naukri.com. So if you are making the profile on the Naukri, you will not get the call simply. So what you have to do to get the call from the Naukri, and this is for your experience also, and this is for your fresher also. So first you have to highlight your technical skill. If you will go in the Bangalore or if you will go in the Hyderabad, be having the many startup company, they are looking for you are strong in the technical. So if you will highlight your technical skill over there, might be in the startup they will not pay you much salary, but you will get the call from the, we having the possibility to get the call from there. So you can highlight your technical skill. So the question is how to highlight your technical skill. Like I am working in you have learned Java development, right? So in Java, so you can highlight in Java, I am good in op collection, I am good in a string handling, I am good in exception handling, I having the good programming skill, I having the good logical skill. So like that you can highlight your skill. This is the one thing, highlight your skill, and you can do a small real-time project and you can mention over there this project I have developed. So this is key point to get the call from the Naukri.com. Okay, and how many profile you have to prepare, how many profile you have to create on the Naukri.com. So if you are the fresher, you can create at least 3 and 4 profile. Okay, so how to create this? You can create a multiple 4 email ID. Might be Naukri is not accepting one mobile number, so you can take the 3 and 4 mobile number and you can create minimum 5 or 4 profile. So and you can give the different location. One you can give for the Bangalore, one you can give for the Hyderabad, one you can give for the Pune, one you can give for the Chennai, or any others where the IT sector is like that. Your question is why we can create 4 profile. So you having the multiple profile, so when recruiter will search the requirement, so might be at least one profile is might be selected because you have a 4, right? Be having the huge database inside this Naukri. So if you have a 4 profile, sometime we have a possibility to coming the call from the different profile, right? So that's why I'm going to tell you, you can create a multiple profile. So this is applicable for fresher and experienced both. You guys can if you want to one more thing, how to update your profile. Morning you can update 9 or 10 o'clock because the recruiter is coming at 9 or 10 o'clock. Afternoon you can also update one times, so that is your profile will be on your top. So if some recruiter are looking for requirement is there in the company, might be your profile will be up on the top, then they will pick your profile. So this is the way and tips to get the call from the Naukri.com. And be having the LinkedIn also, you can search on the Google what is the LinkedIn and all. So from there we having the many professional, they having the requirement, they will refer to you. So that's all in this video. So definitely I will share my experience, how you should not struggle much to get the job and all, because I already there in your position, so I don't have much information. So I'm sharing the information because you should not struggle like me. So thank you so much for watching this video. Share with your friend and colleague and subscribe my channel, so I can share my experience to you should not struggle much for getting the job, and after job surviving in the company. So definitely I will share next session. I will also think what I have to make. If you have any questions, you can comment below, so definitely I will explore your question with your answer, so it will be helpful for the other people. Thank you so much, and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.